Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a DIY lip scrub. We'll be needing a bowl, some sugar, just tiny bit of sugar, then some honey. I'll take some small bit of sugar and put them in a bowl, then add some honey and mix them together. To start off, I'll start with my clean washed lips. As you can see, they are dry. To avoid dry lips, kindly be drinking water. And brush them as you brush your teeth. This is just a weekly procedure that I do for scrubbing my lips using this sugar honey mask. I'll take some tiny bit, then just rub them on my lips. Gently massage the scrub on your lips. Don't be harsh, just gently. And I'm always guilty because I find myself licking some of it, but why not? My hands are clean, the scrub is clean, so if you're like me, lick it. No, don't. Sugar is not good for you, is it? Then wipe off the mask with a dry towel before you go in with a wet towel. My lips are now clean. Look at them, they look so good, guys. So kindly be incorporating this as your weekly self-care. Now I'm going to be moisturizing my lips using this lip balm. I just got it from a cosmetics shop around my area. I love the smell of it. It smells so nice. Then you're just going to apply a generous amount of it on your lips to keep them moisturized. And look at them getting juicy. Look at them, guys. I love how they look. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, kindly hit that subscribe button, like, share, and let's meet on our next one. Bye.